Today I am going to explain some question and answers. Okay, you have provided with this PDF also. So, carbon and its compounds, chapter number 4. The first question is what is covalent bond? What is covalent bond? Answer. The covalent bonds are formed by the sharing of electron. When any atom requires more than 3 electrons to become stable, in that case, generally carbon, in case of carbon, so it will share their electrons with other carbon atom or some other atoms of the other element or some atoms of other elements. So by sharing of electrons, like in case of hydrogen, okay, hydrogen having only 1 electron in its outermost shell, and for oxygen having 6 electrons in last shell, okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Clear? So hydrogen needed 1 electron only, so it will make mutual sharing with oxygen, okay, but it can't able to share 2 electrons because it doesn't have any more electron. Clear? And by this way hydrogen becomes stable, but in case of oxygen having only, by after the sharing it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and only 7 electrons. So what oxygen will do? So it also react with one more hydrogen atom and bonded with covalently. So now hydrogen becomes stable 1, 2. Okay, so it requires only 2 electrons because it has only 1 shell. Ultimately oxygen is also stable. How? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So all the atoms are stable. So the structure of water is this. Okay, these are the non-bonded electron pair. क्या कहलाते हैं? These are the non-bonded electron pairs. Okay, and these are shared pair. So ये क्या है? Shared pair है. So shared pair को we will draw as a dash. Clear? Discuss the reactivity of carbon. Okay, कार्बन की reactivity हमें डिस्कस करना है. सो कार्बन हैविंग 4 electrons in its outermost shell. Clear? So it will stable by sharing of electrons with other atoms. Okay, so the reactivity of carbon is, it will form covalent bond with other carbon atom or atoms of other elements. Okay, it has 4 electrons in outermost shell, and by the sharing of electrons, even mutual sharing of electrons, it becomes stable. Clear? तो mutual sharing हो रही है means covalent bond formation हो रहा है. Clear? Next, what is double or triple covalent bond? What is double or triple covalent bond? Okay. When 2 atoms share 1 electron from each side, so they will form single bond. Clear? So same for double and triple bond also. double and triple bond. Double and triple bond. Okay. So double bond is formed by the sharing of two electrons from each of the atom. For example, A and here B. So they both share two electrons from each side. So they will form double bond. For example, oxygen 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So they contributed two electrons. So they will form oxygen molecule. Okay. So these are the double bond. And how triple bond form? In case of nitrogen, each nitrogen contributed for the sharing 3 electrons from by own. Okay, so they will form triple bond. Clear? So by this way, the double and triple bonds are formed. Next, question number 4. What is catenation? Okay. So catenation is the unique property of carbon by which it make or it form bonds with other carbon atoms and giving rise to large number of molecules. The unique property of carbon to form bond with other carbon atoms giving rise to large molecules is called catenation. Okay. In catenation, it can form double, triple, single bond or ring structure also. Okay. Next is, what is consequence of catenation in carbon? Consequence of catenation. Consequences of catenation. Okay. So answer is, by catenation it will form compounds. By catenation carbon forms large number of compounds by with double bond, triple bond, साइक्लिक, रिंग, ब्रांच चेन. मतलब ये कह सकते हैं कैटिनेशन की प्रॉपर्टी है उसके पास, तो वो कार्बन कैन फॉर्म डबल बॉन्ड, ट्रिपल बॉन्ड, सिंगल बॉन्ड, रिंग स्ट्रक्चर और ब्रांच चेन, चेन, सिंपल चेन, any type of bond it can form. Okay, so these are the consequences of carbon catenation. Next is, now come to question number 6. What are hydrocarbons? The hydrocarbons are compounds which made by only carbon and hydrogen. Question 6. What are hydrocarbons? Okay. So hydrocarbons are made by hydro means hydrogen and carbon, you know, carbon. So those compounds which made by only carbon and hydrogen are called hydrocarbon. Example, CH4, C6H6, C3H8, etc. All these are the hydrocarbon. No other element is seen in these molecules. Okay. Next, question number 7. How hydrocarbon classified on the basis of bonds? Okay. Classification on the basis of bonds. Okay. How hydrocarbons classified on the basis of bonds between carbon atoms. Okay. कार्बन एंड कार्बन के बीच में कौन से बॉन्ड है, किस टाइप के बॉन्ड है, इसके बेस पे हमें क्लासिफाई करना है. सो वी already studied that on the basis of bonds they are categorized as saturated, first saturated and second unsaturated. Okay, saturated and unsaturated. We have two classes on the basis of bond between carbon atoms. So saturated and unsaturated. In saturated, the example is alkane. Only one category fall in this group. So in alkane, carbon is bonded with only single bond. But unsaturated hydrocarbon having two categories, that is alkene and alkynes. Okay, alkene having carbon-carbon double bond and alkyne having carbon-carbon triple. Okay, so alkenes having carbon-carbon double bond and alkynes having carbon-carbon triple bond. Okay, next is how hydrocarbon classified on the basis of linking pattern. 8. Okay, classification of hydrocarbon on the basis of linking pattern. Okay, classification of hydrocarbon on the basis of linking pattern. Okay, so these are classified as simple chain, second branched chain, and third one is ring or cyclic. Okay, simple chain, branched chain and ring or cyclic compound. So simple chain, this is simple chain compound. This one is branched chain because this chain having two branches, and cyclic, this is cyclic, this is also cyclic. Okay, rest of the valencies are satisfied with the hydrogen. This is already understood. Okay, next is question number 9. What accounts for the versatile nature of carbon? Question number 9. What account for the versatile nature of carbon, or why carbon forms large compounds? Okay, so question 9 about versatile nature of carbon. So due to two unique property of carbon, it has a versatile nature. First is due to tetravalency, and most important is catenation property. It has catenation property and tetravalency. If any element having tetravalency or valency 4, so it is capable to form bond with 4 other atoms also, or it has a capacity to bond to share their 4 electrons. By this way, the versatile compounds we have seen. Okay, so due to these two properties, carbon forms a variety of compounds, okay, by different pattern of linking, like double bond, triple bond, chain, branch chain, cyclic compounds, or some unsaturated, saturated. So many types of compounds we have, which formed by the catenation or tetravalency of carbon. Okay, so next is, what is a homologous series? Okay, question number 10. Homologous series. Okay, so homologous series, a group or series of members in which they have same chemical properties और they have same general formula. इनका एक common formula होता है and they have same chemical properties. But due to the difference of carbon number, carbon chain or number of carbon atoms or in mass, they have different physical properties. Okay, but their physical properties are gradually change. Okay, in we can say that the members of any homologous series are having same chemical property, but they have gradual change in physical properties. Physical properties means melting point, boiling point, etc. Density. So why they do have such variation? Because of the change in CH2 configuration. ओके, इनके एक मेंबर से दूसरे मेंबर में CH2 या 14 यूनिट का मास के हिसाब से इतना डिफरेंस होता है, इसीलिए. क्लियर? नेक्स्ट, डिफाइन एलोट्रॉपी. डज कार्बन एग्जिस्ट इन एलोट्रॉपिक फॉर्म? इफ यस, नेम देम. डिफाइन एलोट्रॉपी. ओके, सो नेक्स्ट 11th इज एलोट्रॉपी. Allotropy is the phenomena in which an element exists in 2 or more than 2 forms in same state. Okay, it is a phenomena in which an element exist in 2 or more than 2 forms in same state. Okay, for example, diamond and graphite. Diamond, graphite, fullerene, lamp black, charcoal, all these are the allotropic form of carbon and they all exist in solid state. But their physical properties are different because allotropes of an element, okay, एक element है, it means they show same chemical properties, but due to the pattern of linking or pattern of forming the cluster is different. That's why they have different physical properties. Clear? Next is fill in the blanks. Next is fill in the blanks. Okay, first, hydrocarbon having the general formula CnH2n plus 2 are called dash. कौन से हाइड्रोकार्बन है जो CnH2n plus 2 फॉर्मूला कैरी कर रहे हैं? ओके, दीज आर द एल्केन्स. सो फिल एल्केन वर्ड Next is fill in the blanks. First, hydrocarbons having the general formula CnH2n plus 2 are CnH2n plus 2. Which hydrocarbon having this general formula? So, alkane. In first blank, you put the word alkane. Second, the next higher homology of C3H6 is second C3H6 के बाद कौन सा मेंबर आएगा? डेफिनेटली ये N है तो N यहाँ 2N. Okay, so next member means C4. So hydrogen should be 8. Clear? So C4H8 fill in second blank. Third, graphite, an allotropic form of carbon, is dash conductor of electricity. In third blank, you put good. Okay. All these are the words filled, which is going to be fill in blanks. Okay. Next, dash valence electrons are present in carbon atom. How many electrons are present in carbon atom? Valence electrons. What are valence electrons? Valence electrons are those electrons which present in outermost shell. Okay, so how many electrons are present in valence shell of carbon? So 4. Next blank is 4. This is fourth one. And fifth, unsaturated hydrocarbons having dash or dash covalent bonds between two carbon atoms. Unsaturated hydrocarbons. Unsaturated. Definitely unsaturated having C double bond C and C triple bond C. So here you write double and second blank में आप क्या लिखेंगे? Triple. Next and last, heaviest allotrope of carbon is 6. Heaviest allotrope of carbon is diamond. Okay, diamond. क्योंकि ये बहुत compactly pack होता है, that's why it has high density. Okay, and denser the substance, heavier is the substance. Okay, so these are the fill-ups. Next is true and false. First, graphite and allotrope is used as a lubricant. Yes, true. Graphite एक solid lubricant के form में use होता है. Second, carbon forms ionic bond with hydrogen in hydrocarbon. Carbon never form ionic bond because it can't able to release 4 electrons to form C4 plus, or it can't gain 4 electrons to form 4 negative ion. So it is always participate in the manner of sharing. Okay. Next, mass difference in two homology is 41 unit. False. क्यों? क्योंकि इनके बीच में तो 14 यूनिट का डिफरेंस होता है, 41 का नहीं. Clear? Next, covalent compounds formed by oppositely charged ions. Covalent compounds never have any ionic species. Okay, so this is also false. Diamond is less denser than graphite. No, diamond is heavier than graphite. So this statement is false. Covalent compounds have less melting point and than ionic compounds. True. Ionic compounds having constituent as ions, and ions are charged particles. So charged particles are associated with the strong electrostatic force of attraction or a strong force. But covalent compound, they do not have any ionic species or charged species. So their bonding is not much more stronger than ionic. Okay, so they have less stable bonding as compared to ionic compounds. So this is true. Covalent compounds have less melting point than ionic compounds. So because intermolecular force of attraction among Covalent molecules is less than ionic compounds. That's why they have less practical boiling points. So this is true. Next is match the column. The last question of this PDF is match the column. Column A having some words carbon, alkene, diamond, graphite and sonority. Okay, and column B having some statement or some words related to these words. Okay, so read all the things placed in this column and match what the similarities or what the properties they have. Okay, so carbon, do not shown by non-metal, used as lubricant, tetravalent, unsaturated hydrocarbon, hardest substance. So carbon is tetravalent, so C. Next, alkenes. Alkenes having C double bond C. So this is unsaturated. This is having D option. Unsaturated hydrocarbons. Diamond. Diamond do not shown by non-metal. Used as lubricant. So hardest substance. Okay. Diamond is hardest substance. Graphite. Graphite is used as lubricant. And sonority do not shown by the non-metals. So answer is, I will write here, first C, second D, third E, fourth B and fifth one having A. So these are the answers. Okay, so this. So now your chapter is completed. So prepare it properly, watch all the videos and do practice for the exams also. Okay, if you have any doubt, so you can call me personally.